Do you think that all mortgage companies explain interest rates, fees, escrow accounts, and mortgage rates the same way? Let's take a look and see how this works out. All right, so let's take a real live look at these and compare them side by side. So this is the other lender. They quoted the client 5.99. Our interest rate was 6.875. They quoted the client a payment at $15.19 a month. We quoted the client a payment at $16.80 a month. Cash to close was pretty similar. They had $44,859. Our cash to close was $42,887. So let's look at what the differences was. One of the biggest differences is taxes and insurance. You can see here that the other lender told the client their insurance was going to be $75 a month and their property taxes would only be $116 a month. Unfortunately, the client had already, fortunately, the client had already got a quote on homeowners insurance, so we knew that exact amount, which was going to be $100 a month. And property taxes in the county they were purchasing in, they're based on their tax rate, their taxes was going to be $225 a month. Those are not things that a lender can control. They cannot control your taxes or your insurance. So automatically you would have to add $129 because that particular lender just wanted to make that number look better. So that really and truly would raise that payment, would increase that to $16.48 a month. So whenever you're looking at $16.48 versus our $16.80, not a lot of difference. There is actually still a couple really big differences. This particular loan that the other lender had was FHA. Our mortgage is a conventional mortgage. Let's talk about fees. Their loan amount was $207,000 versus our loan amount was going to be $204,000. The reason for that is because they were trying to give this particular loan, this particular client, an FHA mortgage. FHA has an upfront funding fee, and they were financing that amount into the loan amount. So unfortunately, the client was automatically losing $3,000 in equity right off the bat. The other thing is our cash to close. Ours was $42,000 and theirs was $44,000. So that was almost $2,000 less. So the details really matter. The lowest rate don't always win, and also the loan type truly does matter. Make sure that you're working with someone who can explain all of these details and make sure that your short-term and your long-term goals and financing is the right one for your family.